Miss Sherry Neal, and she would know all the history and the background of this model train layout. And they donated the train layout in 2016, and they started putting it in 2017.
Neal, and I'm the manager of Traintopia. We are part of the Museum of the American Railroad in Frisco, Texas, and we have just opened about 5 months ago our wonderful, beautiful layout, model train layout, that was donated by the Steve Sanders family after Steve's death. This was a 10-year project for him. He created all of the areas that he knew and loved and where he worked, things he remembered, like Colorado, downtown Dallas, West Texas, the drive-in movie theater he went to when he was younger. This is $1 million layout, including all of the extra trains. We had over 500 trains that he donated, along with his wife Jane and their 2 daughters, to the museum. We spent almost a year getting it out of his house. Had to be cut into pieces and moved over to our location at the Frisco Discovery Center, and then rebuilt. And we're happy to say it's up and running now. We're adding a few new touches every now and then. We are also grateful to the Bryan Foundation. They gave us the donation money for the move, pay for the expenses, and to get it here and up and running. So it's really been a team project all the way. We're happy that the city of Frisco has helped us with the space, and we know that it's going to be a big draw and a big event for the city of Frisco for a long time to come. We are planning to expand. We have received another donation from another model railroader, and his layout will be coming in this spring, 2019. And it'll be O-gauge, it'll be a little smaller trains than the ones we have now, but another beautiful layout that we can really, Traintopia means train world, so we really will be a true Traintopia by the time that we're through here.
As for the future of the American Railroad Museum in Frisco, Brian Gaboot told me that their future project would be to put a 7-layer track within the little train station that they put, and to bring back an 1892 New York